My name is Oscar. I'm with Spark Construction. Today is July 2nd. It's about 88 degrees outside. We're at claim number 079-584-1253. And we're on the front slope. Today we're going to be doing a repair. I've highlighted the tab that's damaged. We're going to go ahead and remove this shingle. A 3-tab shingle has 3 tabs. That's why it's called a 3-tab shingle. I'm going to go ahead and start this repair. My first step is to let go of nail zone 1. I'm going to label nail zone 1. After I let go of nail zone 1, I have to let go of nail zone 2. And from there we'll be able to release the shingle. The reason why there's 2 nail zones I have to let go is because the shingle has a width about this high. So, and then I'll show you guys once I actually take it out what I'm talking about. You'll be able to see the 2 nail zones. We are using our tool. This tool helps us not manipulate the shingle above as much. That way we don't cause further damages. There's one side to remove the nail, the other side to put the nail in. And you'll see it throughout the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it started and just find where our first nail is. And to do that, I'm gonna let go of the first tab. Okay, so we start here and it goes this way. 1, 2, 3. That's that shingle. So I'm gonna let go of this one as well. This one as well. Second nail's on as well. Alright, I'm gonna fix my pitch hopper a little bit too high. It won't let me work as well. I'm gonna lower it a little bit just so I can see the nails without having to lift the shingle too high. Alright, so let's identify where our first nail is. The first nail is right here. Obviously this is the damaged shingle, so it's flapping. When the wind hits it. First nail. Second nail. Third nail. And our fourth nail. So you guys can see there's granule already coming loose. I saw this one had a 5th nail, so I'm gonna go ahead and release it as well. We got our first nail zone out. You don't see that this shingle doesn't come out because it's intertwined with the second nail zone. So I'm gonna identify what the first nail is on the second nail zone. First nail. These nails are nailed with pressure, so that's why we have to apply pressure to let it out. Second nail. Third nail. And our fourth nail. Okay, got our 8 nails out. This one has 9. Sometimes you can add a 5th nail just to make sure it's fastened correctly. With this correctly, it'll come right out. You guys can hear the granule loss. I'm gonna show you in this shingle. First nail zone, second nail zone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9 right here. So that's why we had to let go of both nail zones. I'm gonna go ahead and continue. If you can pass me the replacement shingle. We have our replacement shingle. We try and match it as close as possible. There we go. It's about a 1/4 inch bigger. But it'll still work, so we're gonna go ahead and continue our repair. Slide it in gently. Make sure it's in line with the rest. All right, we have our new replacement shingle in. I'm gonna go ahead and start nailing it back. We're gonna use the other side of the tool. This is the side we use to nail the shingle back without having to manipulate the buff shingle as much. So first nail. All right, we got one in. Two. Three. And 4. Alright, 4's nailing. Kind of went in sideways. I don't like how it went in, so I'm gonna take it out. Put another nail in. That's 4 nails. First nail zone. Now we're gonna go to the second nail zone. Right above it. One. Two. Three. And 4. So we got our 4 nails in. Obviously this tool, the way it works is you put it in right here. However, we are using roofing nails, about 1 1/4 inch, 1 3/4, sorry, and then we insert it under. So obviously we have to lift the shingle in order for it to get in there like that. So that's why if you guys see the video, you guys see me lifting the shingle, because I have to put the tool under it. I'm gonna go ahead and just underline a couple of things that occurred during this repair, so you guys can analyze what's going on when we do these repairs. In order to let go of this shingle, I had to let go of nail zone 1. As stated before, it's underlined as N1 for nail zone 1, and nail zone 2 is N2. And you guys can see, and you will see in this video and in our after photos, what has occurred in the process of replacing the damaged shingle. It's quite a bit of a change. So if you guys have any suggestions, please let us know. We're more than willing to, do anything that you guys are advising us. But in the after photos, you'll see what has occurred here, and in this video as well. Thank you.